Today we're going to show you how to install carbon fiber mirror caps on your BMW E90. Hey, this is Bryan. Thanks for watching Kies Motorsports. If you like our videos, give us a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe and check us out at KiesMotorsports.com. You may recognize this E90 behind me because it's been in before for a couple other videos, including kidney grills, we did side markers, a front lip, trunk lip, and more, but it's missing mirror caps. So today, we're gonna show you how to install carbon fiber mirror caps on a BMW E90. Now, before we get started, let's take a look at the back of our new mirror cap, and it's going to give us some hints on how we need to do this project. So, as you can see, there are 4 different clips right over here, just in each corner. And as you can see, they have these little grooves. So basically, you push the mirror cap on and it locks in place. Now, the cool thing about these is you don't have to remove the glass and go through all of that like you do with the F30. All you really need to do is carefully pull it off. So let's get started. Now, for this process, all you're really going to need is some kind of trim tool. And basically what we're going to do, we're going to very carefully just put our trim tool in here. And as you heard, we just got one of the clips to pop. And you're just going to very carefully just work your way across and make sure that when you're doing this, you have a good handle on this, because otherwise what can happen is as you're going, the mirror cap just flies off. And you don't want to damage it, just in case you ever want to put it back on your car. Or maybe you're working on a customer car and that's not good to do either. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're just going to work our way across here. Okay. Work our way across the top, and as you can see, what I'm doing is I'm applying outward pressure to make sure that this isn't going to pop back in. All right, so we'll switch up the angle for you a little bit here, and as you can see, we're just slowly working our way across until you get it where you can just slide it right off. Now, when you come to the very end, what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to rotate it off ever so slightly. All right, little quick side by side before we go to put the new one on. As you can see, this looks incredible, and I think it's gonna add a lot of style points to this car. Okay, so as we said before, you wanna line up this groove right over here, and we're going to very carefully start to twist this over, get everything lined up, and then pop it on just like that. And that quick, we are done, and look how amazing it looks. All right, as you can see, everything is fully installed, and this car looks amazing. Once again, my name is Bryan. Thanks so much for watching Kies Motorsports. If you like our videos, give us a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe and check us out at KiesMotorsports.com for carbon fiber mirror caps and all the tools that we use in today's video. Be sure to see the links down in the description. Once again, my name is Bryan. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.